Welcome to Friday's Thought for the Day. Today we'll focus on Luke 20, verses 20 to 26. So it'd be a good idea to read that passage now. If Jesus was going to the cross, it would not be because he is caught out for political insurrection. The Jewish authorities tried to get him on that here in Luke 20. The agents first use flattery and then use a subtle political question to entrap him. Should Jewish people pay Roman taxes? If he answers yes, then he's lost most of his Jewish following. If he answers no, then the Roman authorities will be down on him before you can say, Caesar! It's a similar dilemma all subject people face. The people of Hong Kong must face it now. Jesus doesn't just dodge the bullet, he uses it as a challenge to direct his accusers to reconsider their loyalty to God, while also recognizing that the Roman economy was something they had to live with and indeed benefited from. Jesus was certainly not going to call the people to arms, and neither was he going to build an earthly kingdom. His counter-questions asked the Jewish authorities to review their priorities and their reason for being. A prayer. Father, I need to sort my priorities. Help me to put you first, whatever else may happen in my life. Amen. O Lord, you have searched me and known me. You hem me in behind and before. You have laid your hand upon me. Thank you, Lord.